Hello traders, I am Mr. Binary and welcome to our channel. Here we discuss the world of binary options trading. Our goal is to provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to make informed decisions and become a successful trader. We will be covering a range of topics, from the basics of binary options to advanced trading strategies. Whether you are a complete beginner or an experienced trader, we have something for everyone. So join us on this journey and let's make some money together. We are the best signals provider. To get our signals service, click at the link given below in description. In this video, we are going to trade at support and resistance levels including discussion. As you can see that I select 3 minutes of expiration time with 1 minute candlestick. The first trade I am going to take to the upward direction. After confirmation that market is respecting the support level, same as it is if market will respect resistance level, then there will be a downward direction trade after confirmation of market. In simple terms, support and resistance trading is a popular technical analysis strategy used in the stock market, currency exchange, and other financial markets. The main idea behind this strategy is that prices tend to move in trends, and the trader identifies key levels at which the price has historically stopped moving higher or lower, known as support and resistance levels. These levels can act as a floor or ceiling for price movements, and traders use them to determine their buying or selling decisions. Support refers to a level where the price has a tendency to stop falling and start moving higher. This happens because at this level, demand for the asset is strong enough to prevent the price from falling further. On the other hand, resistance refers to a level where the price has a tendency to stop rising and start moving lower. This happens because at this level, supply of the asset is strong enough to prevent the price from rising further. Traders use these levels as reference points to place their trades, such as buying near support levels and selling near resistance levels. They may also look for breakouts, which occur when the price breaks through a key support or resistance level, as this can signal a change in trend. It is important to note that support and resistance levels are not exact prices, but rather zones where the price has a tendency to bounce. Traders use various tools, such as trend lines, moving averages, and chart patterns, to identify these levels and confirm their validity. In conclusion, support and resistance trading is a popular and widely used strategy in financial markets. It involves identifying key levels at which the price has historically stopped moving higher or lower, and using these levels to determine buying or selling decisions. Traders should keep in mind that these levels are not exact prices, but rather zones, and use various tools to confirm their validity. Wish you all the best.